Hey all, my name is Paul Borosky and I am the owner of Quality Business Plan. And what I'd like to do today is share with y'all some of the updates that I've made to my box truck business plan template using AI for 2024. So the way the video is going to play out is first and foremost going to go ahead and give you all a little bit of background about me, who I am, what I do, and why I do it. And then after that, we'll dive into the box truck business plan template updates that I've done for, again, 2024. All right, so without further ado, let's go ahead and zip through this whole presentation. As promised, a little bit about me. Again, Paul Borosky, doctoral candidate. I am also a professional writer, specifically a business plan writer. So if y'all want to avoid all the fun and excitement, trials, and tribulations of writing your own business plan, feel free to pick up the phone, give me a call, send me a text, send me an email. Be delighted to write the business plan for you. I'm also a business mentor as well as business consultant. So if you need some assistance in understanding your financials, creating financial models, creating or executing your strategic plans, again, just pick up the phone, give me a call, send me a text, send me an email. Be delighted to assist in those areas as well. And then finally, I am an adjunct professor as well as subject matter expert for both business and finance. So if your business plan is good to go, however, those financial projections are just locking you up and you just can't get over that hill, again, feel free to pick up the phone, give me a call, send me a text, send me an email. Be delighted to assist on that area as well. All right, enough with this. Let's go ahead and zip through the little presentation. And enough about me. Let's go ahead and talk about the star of the show, which is my box truck business plan template that is updated for 2024. So the first thing that I updated was I generated a logo for the front of the template. And of course, I used AI for the generation of the logo, but it's a nice sharp looking truck. And it's just a placeholder, so you can go ahead and delete that and put your own logo, or you can go ahead and keep this nice sharp looking logo and just change out the box truck information right here with your company name, and then you are all set, ready to go. The second item that I updated for the business plan template for the box truck is the services area. What I did is I went ahead and put in my previous information into AI, asked it to spruce it up a little bit, and I wanted to keep it nice and succinct, and so it kicked me out a couple of sentences that are nice, short, straight to the point, that focus on freight transportation, which again is right in the alley of a box truck business plan. All right, and the final update that I've made for this template is industry research. As we all know, updated information for your industry research is important for any business plan, especially for the box trucking industry. And so what I did is I accessed my IBIS World Report, and I went ahead and updated the information for the revenues, historical growth, projected growth, profits, wages, as well as businesses. So that all that good information is now up to date for 2024 as well. All right, so hopefully this information was helpful. Let's go ahead and wrap it up and sum it up. In summary, if you are interested in purchasing my business plan template, it does come with a customizable Word document as well as a basic financial model that is customized for the industry. I also provide various tutorials. You can find my tutorials on this link right here. The tutorials just help you with the various aspects of the business plan template, completing them, and those tutorials can be accessed before or after you purchase the business plan template. Keep in mind there are some limitations to all my business plan templates. You do need Microsoft Word and Microsoft Excel in order to make edits. And also, if you have any questions, comments, or concerns before you purchase a business plan template, be delighted to have a great conversation with you. My contact information is right here. Pick up the phone, give me a call, send me a text, send me an email. We can have a great conversation. However, after you purchase my template, then I do not offer free phone support. If you want me to help you fill out that template, I do charge for the service. The service is there, it's mentoring, but like I said, I do charge for it. And then finally, if you do want to buy my business plan templates or check out the various templates that I have, the link is right here. And then finally, if you don't want to mess around with business plan templates, you don't want to mess around with tutorials, you just want a professional to write your business plan for you, or you just want a professional to do your financial projections, I would be delighted to do so. Pick up the phone, give me a call, send me a text, send me an email, or visit my prices page right here. And then finally, please subscribe to my channel. And that's it. Hopefully this was helpful. Go out, make a little bit of money, and have a great day. Thank you.